Good morning, Class 2. Let's continue our syllabus of computer. Before starting new chapter, let me tell you your syllabus for final term. So syllabus for final term is lesson number 6, Introduction to Paint, and lesson number 7, File Management and Introduction. Children, please write your syllabus in your computer notebooks. Let's start now our first chapter for final term, that is lesson number 6, Introduction to Paint, which is on page number 47. Open this page. Introduction to Paint. I know you all love doing drawing, right? So tell me what all things we need for drawing. Like we need drawing sheet, pencil, an eraser, colors, scale, etc. Right? Children, similarly, you can do drawing on a computer. And all things are present in one software called Paint. Microsoft Paint, MS Paint or Paint is a graphical software program. It is a graphical software program and it is used to draw shapes and pictures using various tools. So you can do your drawing on the computer using this software. Okay, this graphical software, you can use this software which is known as Paint or MS Paint or Microsoft Paint to do your drawings. All right. Next page. Now, how can we start Paint program? Let's read that how can we use Paint software or how can we do drawing on computer? Children, you have to follow simple 4 steps to open MS Paint where you can do your drawings. So the first step is click on Start button. Look at the Start button on your screen. You have to click on it. Alright. Then second step is click on All Program. Look in the picture. Mouse pointer is on All Programs. We have to click on it. Alright. And third step is after clicking on All Programs, you have to click on Accessories. Alright. Then you have to click on Accessories and last click on Paint. First is you have to click on Start button, then All Programs, then Accessories and then Paint. When you click on Paint, the Paint program window will appear where you can do your drawings. And one more important thing is that children, whenever you open any program like MS Paint or MS Word, a rectangular area appears on the desktop. Alright, a rectangular area appears on the desktop that is known as program window. Like you can see this program window is of MS Paint. Similarly, if you want to open MS Word, when you click on MS Word, again a rectangular area appears on the desktop that is known as program window for MS Word. Alright. You can maximize, minimize and close the program windows. Now, how can you maximize, minimize and close the program window? The steps are given in your books with pictures. Alright, very simple steps, very easy. They have given all the steps and with pictures also. You have to read them for better understanding. Now I will show you practically that how can we maximize, minimize and close our window. Alright, just have a look. So let's have a look at how can we maximize, minimize or close our paint window. This is very simple. So this is my laptop screen. First, maximize. Maximizing window means enlarge a paint window to its maximum size. Like I want my paint window cover full screen. Alright, I want my paint window to cover full screen. Then I will click on maximize button. Now where is maximize button? 3 buttons on the top at the right side are for maximize, minimize and for closing our window. These 3 buttons. Alright. The button in the middle, which looks like square, this one, is for maximizing window. This one. Okay, so this button is for maximizing window. Look at my screen. Now, when I click on that button, just check the difference. Now I will click on this button, the middle button, which looks like square. I will click on it. Look. Now my window fills full screen. Okay, so this is maximize. Now next is minimizing our window. How can we minimize our window? Just look at the first button, the minus button over here. This button. This button is for minimizing a window. What minimize will do, we want to remove our paint window from our screen. Like if we are not using that window, we want to do some other work on computer or we want to go somewhere out, so we want to minimize it. So we don't want to want that window on our screen, so we will remove that window from our screen, and that we will we will use our minimize button, which reduce the window to an icon on the taskbar. This is our taskbar. So when we click over this button, just click and check the difference. Now the window is here because we have clicked on minimize button, the minus sign, minimize button. Window is, now our window is here on the taskbar. There is an icon of paint. Window is here. So we can redisplay the window anytime by clicking on its icon on the taskbar. So if we want to look at the window again, just click on this icon here. Just click over it. You can look at the window again. Easy. So the square button is for maximizing and the minus button is for minimizing. And the last one, the cross button, it is for closing our window. This button. Now we done our drawing. Now we don't want to use MS Paint anymore, so we want to close it. So how we can close that window? By clicking over this button. Just click over it. See, now the icon is not here. Paint icon is not here. That means the window is closed. So this is how we can maximize a window, minimize a window, or close our window. Okay? Easy? So our next topic on page number 50 is toolbox and color box. Toolbox and color box. Paint window contains toolbox and color box, and they are at the top of the paint program window. Okay, it's like toolbox. First let's read about toolbox. There are two boxes, one is toolbox, one is color box, and they are at the top of the paint program window. Okay, let's read about toolbox first. What is toolbox? It's like you can say it's like your pencil box. It contains all the tools that are required to make drawings. Okay, like look at the picture. Different tools like you can say pencil, eraser, color picker, magnifier, text, fill with color, brushes, different shapes, shape outline, shape fill, size, everything is there. Okay, so this is known as toolbox. All the tools are there. All right, that are required to make a drawing. And the next box is color box. Now what is color box? Color box is having all the colors, all right, which you can fill in your drawings. Okay, so there are two boxes, one is toolbox, one is color box, and they both are at the top of the paint program window. Toolbox contain all the tools and color box contain all the colors. Okay, now in the picture there are two colors, color 1 and color 2. Okay, color 1 is foreground color and color 2 is background color. Okay, color 1 foreground color, color 2 background color. Then color palette is there and edit colors. Easy? So you have to just open one software on the computer and then you can do your drawings on the computer by using toolbox or color box. All right. Next is tools in the toolbox. Page number 51, tools in the toolbox. Now, how can we use all the tools in the toolbox? Like, how can we use pencil tool, eraser tools, brushes, or different shapes? Okay, this we will read one by one and step by step in our next part. All right. Till then, just revise the chapter one more time for better understanding. Thank you.